What's up, rail fans? It is Funky Friday on the railroad. We got a southbound CSX approaching. And here he is, and all this beautiful, I don't know what words you can use to describe, but it's always beautiful. I think glory is the word I'm looking for, but however, anyway, folks, here we go. Check it out. It's Funky Friday on the railroad, folks. Southbound CSX is approaching, and it sounds like that horn's got some pumps in the bumps. Wow, listen to that thing. Whoa. Okay, we have a set of signals right here. They're now coming down. They still haven't fixed this bell yet. It's an old school mechanical bells, and he's still barking down there. Oh yeah, baby. Bring it on. Bring it on. It's on like butter popcorn. You're a real fan of vibes. I hope you got your butter popcorn. Whoa. Check him out. Check him out. Listen to that blast. Oh, wow. I hope we get a horn salute here. Kind of looks like an intermodal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful horn salute. Southbound doublstack in action right now on Funky Friday on the railroad and Rail Fan Vibes on YouTube. Derek and Tyson is in the house to give you your medication. Yes, sir. You didn't take your medication today? That's all right. You're getting it right now. Living it up, oh yeah. Friday night, yeah. In the land of funk, aka the Gym City of Dayton, Ohio. On Miami Chapel Road, serving it well, yes sir. Rail Fan Vibes in full effect. Alright, Humpty Dumpties, you know I'm gonna pay tribute to you as well. Thanks for tuning in, rail fans. All right, the Ocean Network Express. All right. Rail Fan Vibes in full effect. With the double stack, baby. Ooh-wee, it is funky up in here. We know why it's funky, because it's Funky Friday. It's always funky on Friday on the railroad. On Rail Fan Vibes. Yes, sir. P.U. Funky. Listen to that. Yeah, great sound. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I remember one time back in the day, the old Clinchfield was on here. I think I did see some Clinchfield engines or Clinchfield cars. I can't quite exactly remember, but I remember seeing Clinchfield just going down memory lane on this line right here in Dayton, Ohio. And here comes the end of our southbound CSX. CSX I-141 southbound, yes sir. Like, share, and subscribe to Rail Fan Vibes, baby. Check us out. We doing the thing. As I gaze descend upward here on Miami Chapel Road. Peace out, folks.